Hello everyone, welcome to Ladboy coding. Today we are going to do problem 953, verify an alien dictionary. This is a super common interview question. Even though this is easy, there are a few points that we need to think about really carefully. So, in the alien language, surprisingly, they know all the English letters and they have a different order. We are given an order and we are also give a list of words. We need to check if the list is sorted in this order. So yes, let's first go over our algorithm. So for example, in this input, it should return false because D comes after L here, D and L. But in the dictionary, L comes before D, so world should be before word. Okay, let's first go over our algorithm. So first of all, think about it. In our normal language or in our normal numeric system, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have an array 2 and 1. It is not sorted, but 1 and 2 is sorted. Why? Because we have an order and 1 comes before 2. So if 1 is before 2, the array is sorted. And the same, we have A and D, it is sorted, but D and A is not sorted because A comes before D in alphabetical order. Okay, so what if we define another arbitrary alphabetical order? We define this alphabetical order. Okay, so for example, B, C, F, D, E, A. So is A and B sorted? No, because B comes before A. B and A should be sorted, right? So how do we know if it is sorted given an alien dictionary? We need to know the order of the alien dictionary and then check word by word and letter by letter to see if a letter comes before another letter. And we can do this by use the position of B minus position of A, and in this case should be 1 minus 6. If the result is negative, then it means B comes before A, it is sorted. Otherwise, A minus B is 5, is larger than 0, so it is not a valid order. Okay, so let's code it. First step is create an order and then iterate word by word. Iterate letter by letter. So first, let's create our dictionary. Let's first print out what is a normal dictionary looks like. First, we get the ASCII code of A. Then we have a dictionary. ASCII code is ASCII code of A plus the number. Yes, 0 to 25. Then let's print ASCII code. Okay, then let's convert ASCII code back to our dictionary. This is A, B, C, D, E, F, G to Z, right? And we know the character is mapped to this number. The number represents a kind of order. Yes, so we need to do the very similar thing, right? We map the character to an order. Great. So now, for example, we know H comes before L because 0 minus 1 is negative 1. Then iterate word by word, letter by letter. Okay, how should we iterate word by word? Let's first print the word pair. Okay, hello, Leetcode, and let's try this. Yes, the word pair. Then let's implement a function called compare. So we need to keep track of the difference between the letters, right? Then we are going to find the short length between two words. Okay, so what is our div? The div should be dictionary. Okay, first char. Second char. Then we need to compare the difference between this character, right? Okay, so if the length of the first word is larger than the length of the second word, then we need to return the difference. Otherwise, we return the diff number. Dick. So if the difference is smaller than 0, we just return false. Otherwise, we return true. Okay, let's run it. Oops. Okay, so we need to make a few changes here. First of all, if the difference is 0, we do this. Otherwise, we already find the difference. And if the difference is 0, in the end, then we need to return this. So for example, so the 2W is in the same order, in the same position, and the previous length minus the second length is negative number. So in this case, it is considered sorted. So let's submit our code. Okay, that's it. So the key point is to create the dictionary order and need to compare word by word and letter by letter. Okay, so let's analyze our time space complexity. So the time complexity is n times m. N is the number of elements in the list, and m is the length of the word in the list. And for the space, it is O of, let's say, O of constant, because as we see, we use all the English lower letters and there are only 26 letters. So the dictionary would always be using constant space. Okay, that's it. If my solution helped you, please feel free to leave a comment. Thank you. Bye-bye.